Because you're always in the dang way. No, it's just he's always. Touch go, touch go, touch go, touch go. We're like, no, we're trying to do our passes. Can't even do low passes.
Last time we did hawk formation, this guy just pulled out on the runway like it was no man's business.
Touch go.
I'm out.
Touch go. Touch go. We only do that because we love you, Frank. That's all. Ready? Where are we gonna go, Jack? All right, we'll go. Okay, we'll do it. Whatever works for you. Let's go. No twin otter, Frank.
Haters!
No. No.
Yo! Yo!
That's fine. That's fine.
All the way out there.
That's fine.
Oh. You can't do touch and goes with that thing.
Now I see what they were doing. They were setting up a box for the camera.
What is the camera for?
I don't know. But it makes sense why those things were there and they kept them covered to keep it from getting. I guess so.
Lenny's gonna come yell at us for tactics.
Get out of the pits!
Lenny, we don't want to talk about you spiking throttles. Oh my god, it's a thermal.
Yeah, we have to do a heritage flight to Mr. Max.
We gotta go find some thermals.
Find some thermals, oh god!
Jack, you should let me fly your radiant and go find a thermal.
Thermal! There's a thermal right there. There's the buzzers in the thermal. Look at that.
We gotta be those geeky glider pilots that put a vario in their radio.
I knew somebody that had a couple of these. Is it plugged in? Slightly shallower turns. We'll just fly on our own.
We're gonna go a little bit further. We're gonna go right here, right?
Yeah. Well, do what you want, and then if we can't keep up, we'll fly on our own.
Get up.
It's all right. Okay. Just fly how you want. I'll see if I can keep up. I like flying this one slow. I like flying this plane slow.
Yeah, Jack, don't worry about us, just fly.
We'll avoid you. But at least we can all fly formation. You're good, don't worry.
Don't worry about me, Jack. You're fine.
Stay away.
Yeah, that's me, that's me.
I'm behind you. We'll stay away from you, don't worry.
Yeah, we'll stay.
Yep.
Time remaining.
And I'm staying on.
You're fine.
You're fine. You've got plenty of time. Especially
you got a 5,000.
Especially if you're flying with the 5,000. Yep.
Well, I can see.
Well, I usually let you turn first, and then I turn behind you.
Yeah, we have to fly faster.
Yeah, so, yeah.
So you've got the easier part. We follow you. Fly in front of Claudia.
Time remaining 1 minute.
What's better formation than Keon, goddamn. He's not even warning. He's not even flinching. Look at that! Look at that! There you go!
Nice, Jack. Woohoo!
That's beautiful.
You're right on him. Look at that.
Right on it, folks.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Don't worry about me, Jack. That was close. This is good. This is a good formation.
Jack is perfect for this.
Jack is good.
30 seconds.
I can see why
Yeah, I know. Look, he gets...
Go, go, go now.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Did you see that video? Oh, I saw your shadow, right?
Yeah, we're close.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Time expired.
Me and Bray, we can keep going forever.
Yeah.
realized I need
I haven't even gone above half this whole time.
Me neither.
Let's go.
Good job, Jack.
Beautiful. Oh, beautiful!
I'm already doing it.
Perfection.
I'm coming completely flat.
That was beautiful, Jack.
So I kind of flat.
Good flying.
See, that was really good. See, you gotta fly formation with this again. That was good.
It's going to charge my dad in wings.
Cool.
That's charge both at once. So I can that's something.
Hello.
Hey, you almost took off my head.
I know.
Closer than I expected. I didn't know that.
1 minute over.
God, my fan sounds so bad at the low end, but at the high end it sounds fine.
Yeah. This needs a little tender loving care. It'll probably only be a couple minutes to fix.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it though. It doesn't sound that bad.
I'll start charging when you keep flying.
Okay. We'll be able to fly again. I got plenty of packs for this.
We're out here all day.
All right, wheels coming down. I'm doing
Landing
a.
flaps.
I'm gonna do a nose up, touch and go.
I'll go ahead of you. Or I'll stay like behind.
Flaps up. Gear up. 2 minutes over.
All right, I'm coming in. I'm 2 minutes over. The wind is perfect right now.
See that? That was
Landing
cool. I
flaps.
came
Gear
real high.
down.
Yep. Then you joined up.
Alright, you cut ahead of me.
Cutting right now. Jack did really good on
That
formation.
was really good.
I'm kind of impressed. I think he's been holding back on us a little bit. Holding out.
Flaps up.
I'll go off to the left. There you go.
Nice one. You don't see out there break anywhere?
That's a good flight. Jack impressed me, man.
Yeah, me and Jack were hugging each other.
Yeah, you were there on his wing the whole time.
He didn't flinch either.
No, not at all.
Keon would have pussied out. He's not watching.
He will be. So you better watch it. He's gonna get mad at you. Little Jack that was pretty amazing.
Yeah, I was right on his wing the whole time. He didn't even flinch.
Way to go, Jack.
Yeah.